What's that? That's Coyote.
This is straight from the world.
That's special.
This is, I'll get on the overhead so you can actually see it clearly. This is, I'm not going to unbox it because it's going to be somebody's very own speed controller one day. This is the all new Crest X or Crest 10 Evo. And we are probably the first retailers in the world to have these, because these weren't available before the Worlds. They were available to the Worlds team drivers,
but not retail.
And we had the opportunity to pick some up, of course, from the team, from the stock, because we bought the surplus stock. So we've got a really hot selection at the moment of motors, speedies, and lipos. If you are running modified, or even if you're running stock, I'm sure that this speedy is probably banging.
If you were to show me a duck and then its guts, that'd be it.
The duck's guts.
The guts
and
of
have
the
a
duck.
Look at this. This is one of the motors. And have a look how beautiful. This is as raced at the Worlds. This is the Modi.
Yeah.
This is a 6.5. The very same motors that were used at the Worlds.
Yep. Although most of them were running 8.5, I think, weren't they?
Two-wheel drive was 8.5.
Yep.
And 8. And four-wheel drive was a combination of 6.5, 6, and some of them are running 5.5 blinky.
Yeah.
Yeah, just different drivers, right?
Okay.
They've got a QR code and everything.
Yeah.
This is full IFMA, raw approved, so you can measure the stack in here, everything like that.
These are
Really cool.
next gen motors. They're
next gen.
So far above anything else.
Everything that Coyote are doing at the moment is, and that's why, I'll be honest with you, that's why you haven't seen stock motors from them yet. Everybody's going on, oh, when the stock motors, when the stock motors. They're not releasing them until they are market leading.
Yep.
Right? Until they're absolutely the best that they can be and blow everything out of the water. So that's why they're not rushing it, because it actually takes a lot of time to develop a stock motor.
And Oscar's been too busy here.
That's right. That's right. Modified motors, surprisingly enough, are like a little bit easier, right?
Yeah.
Because they're so overpowered that the ultimate horsepower of the motor isn't the biggest concern. But when you're racing stock, you want to make sure that your 13.5, 17.5, or 21.5 can blow the doors off of anything. Yep. So when they come, you can bet that they definitely will, because they're putting a lot of work into it. They even did closed testing at Liverpool on the Friday of the Worlds, so that changed the four-wheel drive checking day, and the Tuesday/Wednesday after the Worlds when it wrapped up.
Okay.
They were running laps and laps and laps.
Yep.
And they had data loggers, they had temp sensors, all this stuff. It was pretty impressive actually to see what they were doing.
They know what they're doing.
They absolutely do. And they've even, I can't say anything because I'm privy to this information, but they're working on a new technology in cooling fans, and it looks amazing.
It's not a block of ice on top of the Speedy?
Can't say anything.
Oh,
can't say anything.
I thought I might have let the bag out of the cat.
No, all I can say, they're working on fan motors, and they don't sound much like fans. But anyway, really cool.
There you go.
So that is some hot stuff in RC. We've had a huge drop of Tamiya.
We've got heaps of Tamiya shit in.
Sand scorcher back, right?
Oh.
Every time they come in, it's one of those things I go,
that you and I both look at and go, I need that.
And the reality kicks in and go, what am I going to do with it?
It's just going to sit there and I'll never build it.
Or I'll build it and I'll never play with it because it's crap. But then they go and they go,
I wish I'd bought that one.
I'd be more complete.
If you're needing something like that.
Hey, do you know what you haven't even seen? And my charge cables aren't here.
Well, actually, I have seen it because I opened the box.
Did you?
Oh, shit, yeah. There's no way I was going to. I saw that on the table and went, I'm opening that up.
And I think Ant ready for this.
Yep.
Yeah, because he blew my other one up.
Ah.
I've got the all-new X5 charger. Check this bad boy out. Yeah. Isn't that packaging next level?
That's actually the guts of several ducks.
Isn't it? Yeah. Check out the packaging on this bad boy. Like
the packaging on all the Coyote stuff is pretty special.
I know I haven't even taken this out of the box yet. I mean, I've seen it.
Yeah.
This was a display model.
Yep. I'm a display model.
So it couldn't really be sold.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these guys. Did I get charge cables in there? Because the charge cables.
Look at that.
Somebody's got two sets of charge cables. Hey, look at these charge cables.
Factory Coyote colors.
This is the charger that everybody's going to want. This is the X5. If you want to charge at 55 amps,
Which is probably not advisable.
You can charge one channel at 55 or two channels at 40.
Yeah.
Yep. And this is something that I really enjoy. And these cables are actually going to come out in, I want to say they're going to be installed with every Speedy.
Yeah.
They're going to really push the coloured wire because I was a
you and I
fan.
are a big fan of that.
Have a look at these charge cables, 10 gauge. Beautiful. So this is the new X5 charger. Now, these will be coming and available to Australia. We're actually just jumping through Australian regulation hoops.
Are we?
Apparently, the Australian regulations, well, the European and American regulations are not good enough for Australia.
Oh.
So they have to be certified for Australia. But look at that. That is a beautiful looking charger. So you've got also 12-volt output that you can run simultaneously with the charger. So your tyre warmers, tyre sander.
This has got some serious grunt in this charger.
You've also got, it's got a firmware update. So much controllers. These come with firmware updates. I don't know what you're going to update on the charger, but firmware update.
If you need to, here it is.
And you can run it on DC as well.
Yep. Well.
There you go. That is a little bit of Coyote goodness. And that's the first time I've taken it out of the box.
So we have to wait a while for these though.
Yeah, but if you're at the track with me, if you're coming to the Vintage Bash, come check it out. Come have a play with it.
Yeah.
Because it will be there.
And with the charger.
And with the charger too.
Yeah. It's all, that's enough.
Thank you to...
You can tell it's Friday night. You're getting a bit excited already.
A bit toey.
Yeah.
Thank you to Team Coyote for joining us at the Worlds and for their lovely present of the charger.
Oh, that's all goodness.
And I can really thank Coyote for blowing my other one up.
Yeah.
Thanks, Coyote.
In the end, that worked out good. Yay.
Anyway, what